BESTAR has deployed MES or ERP or PLM digital systems to achieve end-to-end visual management and control, and has obtained certifications for 6 major systems including IF 16949, ISO 13485, ISO 14001, ISO EEC 17025, ISO 9001, ISO 45001. We are also the primary drafting unit for China's AVA's national standard. Employees must wear prescribed uniforms. Upon entering the workshop, they undergo static electricity testing before passing through an air shower for cleaning. This is the electronic component receiving area. Supplier-delivered materials bear QR code labels for subsequent error proofing and traceability. QR code information must include the supplier's material code, our company's lot no, date code, quantity, etc. The SMT workshop is equipped with smart storage racks. Materials passing IQC inspection are stored on these racks. Remaining materials after use are quickly inventoried using an X-ray counting machine, with results uploaded to the MES system. For stencil management, tension tests are conducted and uploaded to the MES system. Solder paste storage cabinets and thawing or mixing equipment. Solder paste storage cabinets and thawing or mixing equipment ensure optimal solder paste storage, thawing, and mixing. Integrated with MES system barcode management, they enforce FIFO and enable effective inventory control. This is our SMT production line. Currently, we have 4 fully automated production lines with a daily capacity of 12 million solder joints. Laser marking machines engrave a unique QR code ID on each PCB for subsequent product traceability and control. Fully automated printers ensure precise solder paste application. Each printer is equipped with our 3D SPI inspection equipment for 100% verification of solder paste placement. We utilize high-precision, high-speed placement machines. The company is equipped with 3 reflow AOE automated optical inspection to conduct 100% inspection of component placement quality. Post-AOE reflow soldering utilizes a 10-zone oven with real-time temperature monitoring for precise control and guaranteed soldering quality. The company utilizes proprietary automated FOCT equipment that monitors test parameters and can communication quality in real time during programming, achieving over 90% comprehensive test coverage. Component bases are reinforced with automotive-grade adhesive to enhance vibration resistance and reliability. The company utilizes advanced milling-type fully automated depanelizers. BESTAR possesses industry-leading, high-precision, self-developed, fully automated production lines. These lines incorporate over 20 processes to ensure speaker production and quality. At the center adhesive station, adhesive volume significantly impacts sound performance. Imported dispensing machines and nozzles precisely control each dispense to 0005G, ensuring speaker performance and consistency. An inline oven is integrated to fully cure front-end adhesive before further assembly operations. After assembly into the enclosure, 100% airtightness testing is performed. Screws are automatically locked into place with monitored clamping force and torque control. Pins are automatically soldered to the housing using automated soldering processes. Post-soldering products undergo 100% CCD inspection of solder joints. An additional adhesive application step is implemented alongside silicone gaskets. Products undergo QR code scanning for MES system registration. After curing, products undergo 100% powered on thermal aging with real-time monitoring of current, voltage, and communication quality fluctuations. Aging data is continuously uploaded to the MES system. Fully automated screw tightening equipment precisely controls formation and torque to guarantee secure fastening. Every product undergoes 100% full functionality inspection. All shipped products feature full traceability throughout the production process with verifiable data within the system, guaranteeing every unit meets quality standards. Both Development and subsequent quality testing are conducted in an anechoic chamber. The chamber is NAS certified with a background noise level below 13 dB. The anechoic chamber is equipped with world-class testing systems, such as the American Soundcheck system and the German Kleipel system. Products undergo testing at BESTAR's NAS-accredited laboratory, which houses comprehensive acoustic equipment. Additional testing facilities include high-temperature, high-humidity chambers, EMC laboratory, rain exposure, salt spray, durability testing. Over 10 rigorous tests validate product reliability. Ensuring superior speaker performance across diverse operating conditions. BESTAR looks forward to collaborating with you.